And our special guest has arrived. Say hi.
Hello.
My wife joined me for the rest of the week. I was super excited yesterday, as I was telling you guys, and I did make it to Knoxville. And then we're already in Ohio. We just got back from a pilot. I had to take a shower because I don't want to be stinky around you. We're walking in the grass right now. Watch out for the doggy dude. Of course, since my wife is here, we had to do a nice little shopping spree. I'm gonna show you guys what we got. But before we do that, let me show you something cool. Come with me. Can you stand right over here? All right, so check out the benefit of having your wife with you while you're a YouTuber and a truck driver. So, you good right there? All right, just put your hands out like this. All right, so like that. Watch, hands free. Let me set this down. So as we walk around, we have a motion sensor tripod, but it's not actually a tripod, it's my wife. My wife is the videographer, and wherever I go, she turns the camera. That's one benefit of taking your wife with you on the road, because she can just record you and you don't have to set up the camera everywhere. Watch this. I could have done like at least 100, but I just want to look good for my wife, you know, that's why I did that. Let's head inside the truck and let's show you what we got here.
Okay, let's get started with what we got. We're gonna start with the drinks.
Is that for you?
No, I don't drink this stuff. So this is Core Power, some cow thing.
And tell them the main point of why we got it.
Chocolate flavor. 42 grams of protein.
And I just did my push-ups, so I need my protein.
And here's another one. This one is 40 grams of protein, some muscle milk. Not for me.
Are you sure? I bought two, one for you, one for me.
Got this cranberry juice to try out since we're trying to stay away from soda. And coconut milk, not milk, juice, whatever it's called. Coconut juice with mango. I've never tried this one, so we'll see if it's good.
Did you say you're trying to stay away from soda?
Yeah.
This has 40 grams of added sugar.
Be quiet, at least it doesn't have positive.
That's 80% of this bottle is sugar. It's added. I think pop would be better at this point. Alright.
Anyways, now on to the fun part. We have a hat.
I like black hats, and this one has a truck logo on it. Show them the logo closer. And this for you.
So he was lacking some decor in the bed behind us over there, and this is gonna add some niceness.
Most important one.
And this is a gold $100 bill because we're on the 100 mindset.
All right, and the receipt now. You want to show them that?
Yeah. And now for the receipt total, $10.
Plus 10 times 7.
70. The total is 70 because everybody's ripping you off in this world.
But it's okay. It's all a business write-off, you know. Everything.
At least it's not 100. Look, we got a good amount. Look, 100 for only $70.
Yeah. So since we spent 70, but we still have a $100 bill, so that's all that matters.
Yep.
And now I got a question for you. Who made you go trucking with me? Was that personal choice, or did I ask you? Or?
Well, if I was to answer this honestly, we'd have to discuss this a little. So I saw you were being a little bit sad, and I used my smart mind, and I'm like, What if I go trucking with you?
I was being sad.
It needed a little convincing, but he eventually was happy with the idea.
No, I wasn't being sad. I mean, yeah, obviously I'm sad when I'm driving alone, but I know you got your motherly duties at home. But thank you for joining me on this weekly trip with me. That means a lot because it's the holiday season, and you know, holidays can
Ending off the year strong.
What?
Ending off the year strong.
Yep, and then next year it's gonna be even a stronger year. So it means you're gonna have to go driving with me even more next year.
Maybe in the summer.
Since we got our kitchen set up here, me and her are practically team driving. We buckle her up in the sleeper with the net thingy, you know, for safety. And that's how the whole week is gonna be. And we're gonna have to do a lot more stopping for breaks and all that, but I'm not rushing anywhere this week because it's kind of a slow week, and you know, some plants are shut down, and we're just gonna take it easy because it's a, you know, holiday week. Stop by, maybe check out some restaurants. And
mall.
You want to go to the mall? Oh, maybe
sleep at the mall.
I know a place we can park at the mall in Cincinnati. Maybe we can stop in Cincinnati. But if you guys want to see our weekly duties of what we do for the rest of the week, stay tuned. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of it, because I don't do this often, but this week I'm posting a video every single day. We're gonna see if we can continue that on to New Year's. I know that it's not only like my duty of doing that, that takes a toll on my woman as well, because I'm constantly being busy, you know, editing videos, but she's a patient woman, and
yes, I am.
And it's because of her why I have made it this far in my YouTube, because she has been very supportive. I had a couple of comments earlier saying make more videos driving or trucking with the wife. So here she is. She ain't going anywhere. Are you?
Going to sleep, I think.
Yeah, she's gonna get all her rest. She's a heavy sleeper. She can sleep through anything, like driving through bumps, driving through, I don't know, Michigan roads, if any of you know how bad those are. She'll just sleep straight through it.
The only problem is every time you go on a rumble strip, my heart rate goes up. No matter if I'm sleeping or not.
Well, sometimes it's
a problem.
I don't go on rumble strips. It's only when there's like road work. So this is my hat that I usually wear, and this is the new one. I'm gonna give this one a try. I really like the brown design on it. I have to adjust that because I have a big head. So this is the old hat that says the motto of if you bought it, a trucker brought it. And then here's the new one. Kind of digging it. But this is what I said about her being in her den. Got her little decorative thing here. Got pillows everywhere. Kind of looking cozy. I'd rather just lay back here instead of driving, but we gotta get going. And we're headed out on the road. Next stop, Starbucks. So we stopped here to eat some food and grab some Starbucks, but I just want to tell you guys what my wife prepared for the road. So we got 2 cuts of beef, and they were like 18 bucks each, so like 40 bucks, and she made all this on Tuesday, day after Christmas. So it's Wednesday, and I really love this. This is called birria. I don't know if any of you heard of that. It's very tasty. You don't need anything else with it. It's just beef, and you can just it's just shredded beef, and you can just straight up eat it and be full. Just a bunch of protein, and literally it's very nice. So this is what we're having for lunch right now, and as soon as we're done having this, we're gonna go to my wife's favorite place, Starbucks. I just realized I haven't shown you what kind of load that I have on here during the daytime. I showed you it last night. Let's head on out and let's show you what we got loaded up. So we have a whole mixture of cars here. 3 cars, on the truck that are Kia Sportages. Then we got 3 Tellurides, 1 and 2 on the back, 2 Sportages up on top, and a Kia Sorento. Load was pretty easy to load, except for we had 2 cars with damages, so we had to get them replaced. And we got a decent height. But yeah, that's what we got loaded on the truck today. Let's go get that Starbucks. Oh, we got some drinks, bunch of sugars. It's kind of cold, we should have put our coats on. Alright, so we got our drinks. Rest of the day plans. We have to make it to our delivery. 2 hours and 46 minutes away. And then after that, we might stop by at another restaurant. After we do our job, we will possibly check out this one Turkish place, or what is it called? Uzbek place. It's kind of like Russian food, so we might check that out. We'll see. But let's get these cars there where they need to be, and then I don't see us being able to load up tonight unless, you know, yeah, we probably won't be able to. So we'll see. Maybe we'll load up tomorrow. So let's just get this load delivered for today, and let's keep going with our day. We made it to the dealership. How do you feel? Tired?
Fine. Not
Fine.
tired. I've been sleeping.
And we're gonna watch her unload the whole truck tonight. Wow, you just kicked a whole 4 feet high. Dang. I was like, what is she kicking, the truck? Yeah, we're about to just drop these 9 here. I'm just gonna sit back in the sleeper. And she told me she got it. She's gonna unload the whole truck. We'll see how that goes. Damages on me. It's alright, good thing I'm good at auto body. I've fixed a few vehicles before. So, it's been like a whole 30 minutes. I saw her taking off that top car over there. Sounds like she's about finished, so let's go check on her. She told me she was gonna unload everything to not worry about it. Oh, look at you go. Wow, did you really just unload all that by yourself? 30 minutes? Wait, you're gonna drive? You want me in the sleeper? Like the sleeper princess? Oh boy. I guess let's get cozy, because she's gonna take over everything from now on. Wait, do you even know how to drive? Do you know?
Google will teach me.
Google. I thought you were Google. You know that cup that says
101 how to drive this tutorial for newbies.
for newbies? Oh, like
my step by step.
Are you gonna be the one driving?
Yep. Buckle up.
You said Google will tell you. I thought that you are Google, you know, like that cup that says my wife, I don't need Google, my wife knows everything.
Yeah, you don't need Google, I need Google.
Oh, okay. No, like, you don't need it. Whatever. Well, good job. 30 minutes. Got it done quick. I did mention to you guys that we were gonna stop by at a Turkish or Uzbek place and have some European style food, but we got too hungry and it's already like 8 p.m. and that place is like another hour and a half further, so figured it's best to just get some Panera bread, and my wife wanted some papayas. I used to say papayas. It's actually Popeyes. But we had a nice meal. Here's a little time lapse of that. And now it's time to continue making our way to our pickup, but we're almost done with our day. And we are done driving for the day. No load for tonight. We might load tomorrow morning. For now, check out this truck stop, pool table, and some claw machines. So you know us, we're all about having fun. Let's try to play some pool. It costs $1 to play. Let's do this. So she literally just made one, yeah?
I just picked it up and threw it.
Of course you did. As you saw, we had a great time. Might be even too much of a great time because this doesn't even feel like work. We're just having fun all day long. It's nice to have my wife around while I'm driving. It makes things a whole lot funner. We had a great day today and the day has come to an end, so it's time to get some rest. She's already back there about to go to sleep. I'm gonna finish up this video and possibly do a little bit of editing before I fall asleep. And we're gonna try to upload these every day so that we have a video coming out every day. So if you guys like the video, leave a like, leave me a comment. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.